Cat, wake up. Cat, go to fish market. Fish cost more than yesterday. Cat, go to work. Boss Cat, say sorry, no more job for
Sorry,
Cat.
no more job.
Cat, go home. Cat has less bones. Cat, sad. This is a recession, but how did Cat get here? Let's go back. Cat economy is all cats buying and selling fish. Cat buys fish. Fish seller makes bones. Fish seller buys milk. Milk seller makes bones. Milk seller buys hat. Hat seller makes bones. Everyone is happy. Everyone has bones. This is called economic growth. But one day Cat stops buying fish. Maybe Cat lost job. Maybe Cat scared about future. Maybe Cat just not hungry. Cat holds on to bones instead of spending them. Now fish seller makes less bones. Fish seller buys less milk. Milk seller makes less bones. Milk seller buys less hat. Hat seller makes less bones. Everyone makes less. Everyone spends less. Everyone makes even less. This is a loop. Cat spends less. Business makes less. Business fires cats. Cats have less bones. Cats spend less. Business makes less. Business fires more cats. Cats call this a recession when this loop lasts long enough. But what makes cats stop spending in the first place? Sometimes Cat Bank raises cost of borrowing bones. Cat has less bones to spend. Cat spends less. Sometimes Cat loses job because business is doing badly. Cat scared. Cat holds bones. Sometimes a big cat company fails suddenly and takes many smaller cat businesses down with it. Many cats lose jobs at once. Many cats stop spending at once. Sometimes a global fish shortage hits. Fish becomes expensive. Cats buy less. Businesses earn less.
Did you see that price? Oh my God, I can't afford that. Me neither. Let's go.
All different causes. Same result. Cat economy slows down. Cat economy shrinks. Recession. How do cats fix recession? Cat government can spend more bones even when other cats are not spending. Build new roads, build new bridges, pay more cats to do more things. This puts bones back into cat economy. Cat Bank can lower cost of borrowing bones. Cat businesses borrow cheaper. Cat businesses hire more cats. More cats earn bones. More cats spend bones. Economy starts to recover. Slowly. But sometimes cat government waits too long. Sometimes recession gets very, very bad. Cats call this a depression. That is when even more cats lose jobs, more businesses shut down, and recovery takes many, many years. So remember, cats. Recession is when cat economy goes backwards. Sometimes short, sometimes long, sometimes very, very bad. Spend wisely, save enough. And as always, cats together strong. Please subscribe.